Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I am an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today I am going to talk to you about how to protect your assets when passing them along from your son-in-law or daughter-in-law if they are problematic. A little bit of a controversial topic. You can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. You can ask me any questions. I practice estate planning and probate. That's what I do. I am continuously taking on clients. So if you have any questions, I'm your girl. Call me, email me, message me. Let's talk. The reason I want to get into this today is because I have clients and prior clients and I talk to people all the time who say, I really want to leave this property for my daughter, but her husband is very irresponsible with money, or her boyfriend who isn't married to her controls everything that she does. How do I protect the house and make sure that she gets it for her children and that her boyfriend doesn't take the money and do something with it, or girlfriend or whoever? And there are some things that you can do to set up protections in this way. But what you should know right away is that anything you give complete control to another person over, you can't do anything about that if they choose to share it with someone else or they allow someone else to influence them. So the way to get around this would be to not give that person control over the asset. That could look like different things depending on what you're leaving to them. So if you want your son or daughter to enjoy your home after you've passed away, and you're concerned that a spouse or significant other is going to force a sale or somehow get in trouble with creditors, and you don't want that because you want your grandchildren to ultimately have the home, then what you'll need to do could either be to create a life estate for that child so that they have the right to live there and enjoy the property during their lifetime, but they don't have the right to sell it. They don't have the right to assign anything to it. And then it would be passed to whatever beneficiaries you choose after that. Or what you could do is have that home owned in trust for your grandchildren and have the trustee that you've assigned make certain decisions that allow other people to live there or enjoy it. Let's say it's not a property. Let's say it's an amount of money that you want to pass along to your grandchildren. You can have a trustee take care of that money and then have the independent ability to decide if they want to spend that money on your child, if they meet certain criteria, if you want to lay it out that detailed, or if it's in their discretion. So you can protect them that way. If the money isn't about saving it for their children, but just so that they have it for a long enough period of time to use for them, then same kind of thing. You would have that money in a trust account with a trustee who could either give the money in increments based on dates or certain milestones that are met, or based on need. Totally up to you. Your estate plan is customizable to what you want to do with it. And as long as it's something legal, you could basically find a way to do it. And that is why it's so great to work with an estate planning attorney and not do it on your own, because you don't know necessarily all of the ways to do this. And there are lots of different strategies that we could come up with so that you can protect an asset or ensure that your child gets what you're trying to give them without other people being able to reach it. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is down below, but you can find me on my website, www.amandarocalaw.com. You can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law, or you can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, and I will respond to you that way. Thank you.